Today I'm going to be talking about a quick tip slash hack that can help save you a decent amount of time in the morning at basic training and probably a couple of smoking sessions. But without further ado, let's get to it. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Ben Allen channel, and like I just said, we're going to be talking about a quick tip slash hack that can save you some time in basic training and probably a couple of push-ups, right? But before we jump into that, guys, be sure to subscribe to this channel, be sure to like this video so it pushes out to a larger audience. Follow me on my Instagram if you have any questions you want to ask me after the video at the Ben Allen. It's linked down below, and feel free to join my Discord as well. There's over 400 people in there that can help answer your all's questions if you have any. And yeah, guys, for those of you that are new here to the channel, my name is Ben Allen. I did 4 years active duty in the Army as a 68 whiskey and a year and a half in the reserve, so I have a little bit of knowledge on both active duty and the reserve. So feel free to ask me any questions you may want in the comment section or on my Discord and Instagram. But jumping straight into the topic, guys, quick little video is your bed, right? Your bed is going to be one of those things that the drill sergeants are going to be checking, inspecting, right? Pretty much every morning. If they see somebody with a jacked up looking bed, like it's just sheets are like scrunched up, it's not made, it's not like pulled super tight, and just you got the hospital corners going, like it is going to be a bad day for you, and not only you but the people inside your bay as well. They'll make you toe the line, do push-ups until the issue is corrected. It is not a good time. You don't want to be the guy that has to be making his bed while the drill sergeant's making everybody else in the building just do push-ups until you finish making your bed. I promise you that's the quickest way to just being like public enemy number one at basic training, is just not getting it right. Granted, some of you guys are not going to get it right the first time, right? Like learning how to do the hospital corners can be a little tricky if you've never done it, right? If you're just not coordinated, if you don't have like an eye for that type of thing, you know, folding the top of your bed the specific way they want, making sure your pillow is nice and neat. It's very meticulous, and it's something that you have to pay a lot of attention to detail to, right? But you're probably thinking like, well, I have to do this every single day, like every morning I have to make my bed, I have to make sure it's perfect. Yes and no, right? If you want to do that, that's fine, but I'm gonna tell you a little like tip or a little hack that we used in my basic training to just kind of mitigate that and not have to make our beds fully in the morning. And what I mean by that is, in basic training you were given a sleep system, right? A sleeping bag. That's what it is, right? It's basically a sleeping bag. And what we did is we took the boot blousers, you know, those little they're like little laces kind of with hooks at the end. You put them under around your leg. You can tuck your pants into them and stuff like that. Pretty much, you know, the boot blousers, right? That's what we called them. You can get them at the PX or whatever. Whenever the drill sergeants take you, buy a pack of those, right? One for your actual boots and uniforms and stuff, and then one for your bed. Because what you want to do is take those boot blousers and get your bed perfectly made, right? Like make it as if you were gonna like make it for presentation, right? And you take those boot blousers and you hook them onto your bed underneath, right, where the wires are and everything like that, and you just cinch it real tight, and you just like hook it so that bed's not moving. Like you can yank on the covers, it'll move a bit, but it's not gonna get like super messed up or anything like that. So you do that, right? And once you have it secure, it's really not gonna move around a whole lot, and it's not gonna like get super messy, right? And then what you do is when you're ready for bed, you just take your sleep system, lay it on that perfectly made bed, right, and just get into your sleeping bag. Sleep in your sleeping bag at night, guys, because when you wake up in the morning, all you got to do is just roll up your sleeping bag, throw it in your locker nice and neat, right, and then bam, you're good. Maybe just like, you know, press out your bed a little bit to get like some wrinkles out from the night, but you don't have to make your bed entirely. It saved us so much time in basic training, I kid you not, because the last thing you want to do is, you know, wake up in basic training having to get ready for PT, whether you gotta shave, you gotta go brush your teeth, you gotta like do your hygiene, go to the restroom. Like, to me, that's time I'd rather be spending doing those things as opposed to making my bed and stuff like that, and struggling and worrying about if I'm getting the corners right, if I'm doing this right. You know, once you get it right the first time, cinch it down with the boot blousers, you're good. you just have to, like, you know, get the wrinkles out a little bit in the morning, but you don't have to spend an entire, like, however many minutes it takes you to get the thing fully made and set up, right? It was such a lifesaver for us. It saved us so much time again, and I used that extra bit of time to, you know, go to the restroom and take my time in the restroom or something, or brush my teeth, shave if I forgot to shave the night before, right? And then change and get ready for PT formation, and I didn't have to worry about struggling to, like, make my bed or anything like that. It was a lifesaver. I'd say like a good 60 to 75% of our bay did the sleeping bag method, just because it saved so much time. And I didn't only do that in basic training. When I got to AIT, they still did like bed checks and inspected our rooms and stuff. So I made sure to cinch my bed down in AIT as well with the boot blousers and just sleep in my sleeping bag, honestly. And the sleeping bags are pretty puffy. They're pretty comfortable, not gonna lie. So, like, it's a lot better than those green blankets that they give you in the military for your bed, because those things are itchy, they're scratchy, they're really not the best. And overall, the sleeping bag, just you feel nice and secure in there. It's like a little cocoon, you know, it's holding you tight, and it's to me, I found it was easier to go to sleep at night too. Because in basic, there's so many people in one building. You hear the snoring, you hear just the coughing, whatever it is, all the sounds of the night. But the sleeping bag really has a way of just holding you tight and making you fall asleep. And not only does it help you fall asleep, it saves you time in the morning, guys. And yeah, that's just a quick video to just give you guys a little hack that you can try at basic training. I highly recommend doing this. If you guys want more videos like this, right? I know my stuff is usually like just informative, like, oh, what to expect at basic. But if you guys want like tips and hacks as well for like basic, AIT, first duty stations, things like that, let me know down in the comments section. I'll try to get more videos like this out there to y'all. But let me know what other tips or tricks you personally used in the military or in basic training if you've already gone through yourself. And yeah, thank y'all for tuning in. I appreciate y'all. Be sure to like this video so it pushes out to a larger audience, and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions following this video, hit me up on my Instagram at @TheBenAllen, or join my Discord. Both of those are linked down below in the description box. I appreciate y'all's time, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.